Let's say, for example, you're working inside of Photoshop and you're a photographer, and every couple weeks, every couple months, you have a series of images that are always essentially set up the same way in terms of their dimensions, but you want to optimize it to place it on your website. Well, you don't want to write down the settings that you use to optimize the image. Instead, what you can do is save a preset, and that's what we're going to take a look at in this video. Don't confuse presets, however, with batch processing. If you have a large collection of images that need to be optimized in the same way, there's better ways of handling it, and we'll take a look at that a little bit later on. This is strictly to create your own profile so you can quickly recall it whenever you need it within your workflow. If you come up to the File menu, from the File menu you can choose Save for Web. In this example, what I want to do is reduce the image size by 50%. So I'll come over here and type in 50%. Then I know that I want to use the JPEG compression standard, so I'll select that. And let's say for whatever reason I wanted this JPEG to be a progressive JPEG, and the quality was going to be set to something pretty specific, like 58, and maybe just a little bit of a blur. I'll go ahead and type in 0.2. Of course, we want Convert to sRGB selected, and we want the preview set to Internet Standard RGB. As you can see, the preset right now is set to unnamed, and that's because we really customized this to best suit the needs for this particular image. Well, like I said earlier, if you want to be able to recall these settings later on, you'll be able to do that if you come up to the top right-hand corner here and choose Save Settings. I'll go ahead and save this as Matt's JPEG settings so it's easy to identify in the menu. Once you click Save, you'll notice that that's now available as a preset. And not just now, it's available anytime you come into this Save for Web dialog box. So this can really be a handy way to remember configuration options that you set up here within this dialog box.